Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm gonna make this cactus and succulent arrangement that's gonna be placed in our main entrance of the house. And this will be a full sun. So I'm using all the plants that are gonna be happy in full sun. So cactus would be good, and some succulents that are not too sensitive to sunlight or to direct sunlight. So stay with me. This will be the center. I want this to be the focal of the arrangement. It's a little bit elevated. And then I'm gonna add this aloes. I have this lovely rosette that can be a good addition, can add beauty to the arrangement, and this will add texture to the arrangement. This one can also tolerate full sun. The zebra plant, another beautiful addition to our arrangement. Adding some fillers, adding some colors into my arrangement. And if you notice, there's lava rocks there. It's to cover the exposed soil, and it's also helping you minimize the use of if you don't have enough succulents, that will also help. So you can use some rocks, some decorative pieces to cover the exposed soil. And another one here is the same. This is also an aloe, but this one is stressed out, so it's colorful, it's vibrant. So now I'm positioning the aloe. Okay, looks good. So it's gonna be here. So almost done. I added this colorful aloe. It's the same as this one, but the thing is, this is more exposed to the sun, so like we call it stressed out succulent, so the color is vibrant than the other one, obviously. So it's so opposite color, right? And now I'm halfway done, looking great, and I'm gonna add more rosettes here. Yeah, maybe, or we can add this one actually. It's kind of like a filler. I'm adding it on the side. So I added one more rock here, and that saves me from planting more cuttings there because I'm running out of cuttings. This is gonna be the back part. So I have this rooted, I think this is elephant ear. It's rooted already, and I'm thinking of putting it behind. This side will be facing the wall, and that's the front side right there, the front one. So I am thinking of adding or planting some of the plants that are gonna grow tall will be planted at the back of the arrangement. It's finished, and now it's time to cover the exposed soil with some rocks or any decorative pieces can add to cover the soil, exposed soil, so it would look finished, it would look professional. And see that those rocks really helped a lot. So I'm gonna use the sand to cover the exposed soil. This is the back part of the arrangement.